Hey, what's going on, you guys? Josh here from the DeFi guys. And today I've got something super exciting and special for you. How would you like to make money like the crypto influencers? How would you like to make affiliate commissions in crypto and get paid out in crypto? How would you also like to simultaneously make money through these DeFi projects? Now, the great thing about being an influencer is you get to mitigate your risk. Right? You're earning affiliate commissions, you're in a project. Even some of these influencers know the developers directly. They get a lot of information that maybe the average consumer might not get. But what if I could actually show you how to copy my entire marketing strategy to become a crypto influencer, to take this channel from 0 to 34,000 subscribers in about 4 months? Even some people are saying, Josh, you paid for those subscribers. Most people don't know that I've been doing affiliate marketing and marketing in general for over 10 years online. And so what I want to do is I want to show you a formula that I've been implementing for the past week that's got me some incredible results in the affiliate marketing arena, and how I'm going to copy those same results here on this crypto channel, and how you guys are going to be able to copy this whole entire proven campaign that I lay out for you as well, so you can start earning crypto, so you could be an influencer even if you're not a crypto influencer. I'm gonna give you guys my videos you can copy. I'm gonna give you guys my assets, my email follow-up series, my funnels, my whole marketing scheme. And some of you guys might be thinking, well, what is a funnel? What's email marketing? What's all of this? Don't even worry. You guys are gonna copy me step by step and click by click over the course of the next ongoing year. Yes, every single day, I'm going to have a video just like this one that has directions on exactly what to do to take you from 0 to earning $10,000 per month consistently in the crypto space. Now, is that guaranteed? Is that a claim? No, it is not. That is the goal. Now, I'm going to show you my results that I'm generating right now. Now, that doesn't guarantee you're going to get the same results, but what I can say is this campaign is producing results, and you guys are copying this exact campaign that's producing results, just in a different industry. This is in the make money online industry. The industry that we're going to be in is crypto, but the framework is exactly the same. So let me show you the results of this campaign from last week, and then I'll show you guys how you could duplicate this campaign in the crypto space. What do you say? So you can see in this one income stream, $1,300. We started this campaign, we'll go ahead and refresh, on January 23rd, 2023. It is now January 30th, so it's been a week. $1,300 here. Now here's a cool thing, guys. Most millionaires have about 7 income streams. So we're not just gonna have one income stream. We're gonna plug you guys into numerous crypto income streams. You guys can mitigate your risk and potentially make a lot of money with, right? How does that sound? So I partnered with a few companies where you can earn affiliate commissions. You can earn these commissions on multiple levels. And a lot of people might be against that because they're like, well, yeah, I can make money from the passive side, but then you have all these affiliates where, let's say they deposit $1,000, but then they're making like $8,000 in commissions. They've mitigated their risk. They're in huge profit, and they can redeposit that profit for even greater profits. So I want you guys to be able to be the guru. That is the idea behind this whole entire campaign. So let's continue here. So this is just one income stream, $1,300. Here's another income stream, $240 last week. Here's yet another income stream, $918 this last week. Yet another income stream, $530 this last week. Yet another income stream, $515 in the last week. Now let's go ahead and let's talk about the last income stream. And again, this is my primary channel where I'm doing all this marketing on. And you can see since Monday, we're doing an average of over $100 per day. So add that up for the last 7 days, that's an extra $700 there. If you do the math, which I don't want to bore you with all the math, that is over $4,000 in profit in the last week. Now think about it. What if that profit was in crypto? What if you guys were getting paid out in crypto? And by the way, this promotional method is through YouTube videos. It's through email marketing. It's done through some paid marketing that I leverage. And you guys are gonna be able to copy this whole entire system. So again, day by day, week by week, I will have an assignment. You guys complete the assignment and then continue on the next day. One assignment might be, here, set up a YouTube channel. And I'm gonna show you exactly on screen how to set up your YouTube channel. The next step would be, hey, go to my Google Drive and download this video here and then upload it to your channel. I'll show you how to use AI for the title, description, and tags so you can start getting views to that video on a specific crypto project so you too can start building a team. You could see right here, CMB will be our first income stream. This pays out in USDT and it pays out in Bitcoin. So very good friends of mine are involved with this. That's why I believe in it. That's why I'm trusting in it. But we all know anything can happen in crypto. This could be here today, gone tomorrow. But this is a company that I am running with for the long term, for the next few years. So we're going to really be focusing on building this out. Doing barely any promotion already. We've got 27 direct referrals and 28 total organization. So the methodologies that I use to build big teams and companies like this, as well as the methodologies that I've used to do over $4,000 just in the past week, you guys are going to be copying every single one of those methodologies. Let me go ahead and just log back in here real fast into CMB. So the first assignment here for you guys in this specific video is going to be for you guys to create a CMB account. And if you choose to do so, make your first deposit only after understanding all of the risks involved. Okay, once you understand all the risks involved, then you can go ahead and you can get started. Okay, now here I made a test deposit. In another video, I will be making a larger deposit into CMB. If you like the idea of this and you want to follow me step by step, click by click, and build a side income, crypto passively, working 10 to 20 minutes per day, while also getting involved with other crypto projects, creating multiple revenue streams, then continue with me here. So step one is to watch the CMB overview video and deposit video below in the description. Create an account, make a deposit if you like what you see, and then tomorrow we're going to have another video showing you exactly what to do next. Now, there's also going to be a playlist that's created here. I haven't created the playlist because this is the first video. What you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to access this playlist at any point in time. Every single day, you can go to this playlist and you start with video 1. And then after you've completed video 1, you can go to video 2 the next day, and then video 3, so on and so forth. Okay, you can also, of course, subscribe to the channel, which is what you're going to want to do. Click the red subscribe button and then tick that bell icon so you're also notified of future videos that I upload and the next steps to complete. That is crucial. So all you need to do is go below, complete the assignment, complete all the steps as explained in this video, and then tomorrow we're actually going to start your own DeFi YouTube channel. And again, you don't have to be an influencer. You don't even have to talk on video. You're going to leverage my materials. You're going to upload those materials to your channel to start driving views and to start driving affiliate crypto commissions into your DeFi business. Guys, this is going to be super exciting. This is 100% free. My training will be free. And we'll show you exactly what it is that I do to make high commissions in the crypto affiliate marketing space. This is great during a bear market. This is great during a bull market. Not to mention, when you guys build your channel up, you're going to get approached for people to showcase different projects on your channel. You can get paid up to $6,000 for just one video during a bull market. We're going to show you how to take your channel from 0 to hero. We're going to show you how to go from 0 to $10,000 per month in crypto following my methodologies. So if you guys are skeptical, don't worry. You can sit on the sidelines. You can watch all the videos. You can watch this whole entire campaign unfold. I've done this before. As you can see, had a lot of success, and we're going to do this again. It's going to be super exciting. Go ahead, complete the steps below. We'll see you guys in video 2 tomorrow. Take care.